Welcome to episode 5 of the Noodle Tools video series. Now that you know how to create an APA reference for a source found on the internet, let's learn how to create an APA reference for an ebook. This ebook, found in the Academic eBooks via EBSCO database from the Rasmussen Online Library, will be used to demonstrate this process. Here's a tip. Open Noodle Tools in one window and the ebook's detailed record in another to easily transfer information from the ebook into the Noodle Tools form. In order to add to the list of sources for the sociology project created in episode 2, we need to open the project again. Click on the green New Source button. Because this ebook was found in a Rasmussen Library database, select Database. Then, under the content, what is it? Select Book. The first item of information needed is the URL. Navigate to the ebook and look for the permalink icon. Then copy the permalink URL and paste it into the URL field in the form. Notice this helpful information icon that will provide you with more information about this particular field. In this case, the only information you need for the database section is this URL. Now let's move down where we enter the book information. In the Contributors section, note the box that says Role. First, select Author from the drop-down menu. Notice that there are other options here for future reference. On the detailed record of our book, there are 2 authors. And because their names are listed as last name, first name, it may be better to just type their names into the Noodle Tools form. Now that we've typed in the first author's name, we need to add another line for our second author. Click on Add Contributor. Again, you will select Author from the drop-down menu. Make sure you pay attention to the information icons. These will provide you with details you need in order to correctly fill out the form. Now, the next item you will need is the title of the book. Again, go back to your detailed record, locate that information, and type it in. To save time, I did copy and paste the title of the book into the box, but notice we have a little caution symbol that has popped up. This will provide suggestions on how to format the title properly. In this case, we want to make sure we capitalize sentence style. Only the first letter in the first word of the title and subtitle, if there is one, as well as the first letter of any proper nouns and any acronyms. Continue moving down the form, filling in the information that is available and required. In this case, there is not a volume number. We want to go in and locate the publisher information and the year from our detailed record. In this case, the University Press of Florida is our publisher, and the publication year is 2012. There is no special edition of this book. It's not a scholarly edition, nor is it a republished book, so we can leave those sections blank. Now that you have all the information necessary, complete your reference by clicking on the blue Save button at the top right of the page. The citation for this ebook has been added to your list in alphabetical order by author's last name. You can view the in-text citation for this reference by selecting the Options menu and selecting the In-Text Citation option from the drop-down. An example of a parenthetical reference specifically for this source will appear, along with additional information. Now that you know how to create an APA reference for an ebook, watch the 6th video in the Noodle Tools series to learn how to export your references list and get help.